faults and failures are the form of programs. Okay, so what are the faults? They are the form of program flaws. So fault are the program flaws and the failures are the program flaws. Flaws means like a in Arabic what you can call it flaws. So programming flaws. Okay. Ayub barnamijiyat, or what you call it, barnamij. Ayub fil barnamij. Okay, so faults and failures are the forms of programming flaws over there. So a security flaws is a problem that affects security in these three: confidentiality, integrity, and availability over there. A fault is an inside view of the system. So a fault is what? It's the inside view. People will not know from the outside. Outside it looks fine, but from inside there is a problem. So the developers can easily see. The developers has a more idea about these things. Okay, so a programmer, designer, and the specifier, he knows about the faults. Outside people, they will not know about it. Failure is an outside view. Okay, so failure is what the outside people say, oh, it's not working, there's a big problem in it. Okay, so it's the user perspective. So user will see, user will find it, yeah, there is a failure in the system over there. So not every fault correspond to the failure, means every fault will not be a failure. Some of the faults will be a failure. Example, if faulty code is never executed or particular state is never entered, the faults will never cause the code to fail, right? So when the faults come usually like for example when certain like conditions are met. For example, if you enter some of the data or you enter some of the input, might be then you feel it, yeah, there is a problem. Okay, so if faulty code is never executed, if you don't execute the specific code, it will not, you will not know that there is a fault over there. Observe that there is some inconsistency with this terminology in security community and IEEE standard over there. So IEEE standard, they have their own terminology, and other security community, they have their own terminologies over there. So sometimes you might have seen that even the Microsoft, they ask you, if you find any problem, please report us. So there is a dialog box come, and then you write it, yeah, this is a problem, and in next there is a in next update all the things becomes fixed up. So what the Microsoft is doing, they are very clever. They take the community as a help. They take the community or the users as a feedback helper. So whenever, because sometimes they develop it, even the developer don't know about the flaws in it. So to find the flaw, the user can easily find it out because they are using it. So the extensive usage of the program, they can tell us where is the failure or where is the fault over there, and after that one they can easily find where is the fault, and they report to the Microsoft, and then they fix it.